Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, today's recipe is going to be super quick and easy one, at the same time healthy and delicious too. And we are going to see how to make herb garlic eggs that's high in protein, keto friendly, and will be ready under 10 minutes. So friends, let's get started with this amazingly delicious herb garlic egg recipe that's sure to become your favorite egg recipe. So for this recipe, I'll be using 4 eggs, which I will crack open in a large mixing bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of milk, which will make the egg mixture fluffy. We'll season this with some salt as per taste, and with the help of a fork, we will beat the eggs until they are well combined. So this is done, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, we'll heat around 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, we will pour the egg mixture. And now on medium flame, we will fold the egg mixture, scraping the edges of the pan side by side, and we will cook them until they start to solidify slightly. And once they start to solidify, we'll break them into medium-sized portions, but do not overcook them as we don't want the eggs to dry out. So these are done now. We will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now in the same pan, I will add a teaspoon of olive oil, and into this goes lots of finely chopped garlic. I have used here 5 to 6 large garlic pods. On medium flame, we will saute them until they turn aromatic and golden brown in color. And once the garlic are fried well, we will add into this half teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of garlic and herb mix, which has got dried garlic, oregano, basil, parsley, rosemary and thyme, and this will impart a lovely flavor to the eggs. We'll saute the seasonings for a few seconds, and now into this we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. We'll stir this once, and now into this we will add the egg chunks. Now let's stir and mix the egg chunks gently until they are combined well with the flavors of garlic and herbs. That's it, our delicious herb garlic eggs are now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy, healthy and delicious high protein keto friendly herb garlic eggs. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks. You can also check out my other interesting recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy cooking good food.